Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full time down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think this is most likely a wave 5. I'm still not really convinced the wave 5 is over. I still think it's going to go up to the 155, 156 area before we really do get the end of this move. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So I got my Fibonacci extension on here, but really what's the most important to see is that this is definitely higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We really can't argue that this is an uptrend, and there's no evidence that the uptrend is over. We've been sitting at this 78.6 for quite some time now. Maybe it will respect this level, maybe not. I still think that it needs to clearly take out these highs, which makes me think that it is going to go up to at least 100% before we really do get that bigger push to the downside, right around 156. So going down to the daily time frame, I mean, this thing has really been extremely sideways for several weeks now. Usually when something is that sideways, I kind of leave it alone, but you also kind of need to keep in consideration that somebody is probably accumulating positions right now for a big burst to the upside or the downside. For me, the trend is definitely still up until it goes down and breaks structure to the downside, which it definitely has not done so yet. Still am pretty bullish on the higher time frames, so I'm definitely still primarily looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it did make a pretty good little turn down, and the JPY basket to me does kind of look like it could maybe go up, which may cause this to go down a little bit more. But for me, it's most likely going to be a correction to this move up until the higher time frames prove me otherwise. I'm definitely going to be looking at this move down as potentially a correction to the uptrend. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like, like I said, we definitely got a very nice push down today, but to me, it looks like a downtrend right here, probably a wave A. I think this is very likely to be a wave B. Now, yeah, it is going down, and it kind of seems potentially like it would go down more, potentially take out that low, but I think there's a good chance it's a wave C. So if you do throw your Fibonacci retracement from here to here, you see a Fibonacci bounce, especially if you get a break of structure to the upside, then I definitely would primarily still be looking for longs in an uptrend. If you are a scalper trading the 1 hour time frame and below, you could definitely be looking for shorts, but you have to keep in mind that the trend is up on all the time frames, higher time frames, and that looking for longs are definitely going to be the more profitable trades in my mind. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, linked down here in the corner. And also don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.